Hello everyone, welcome to BUSML 4212 Customer Relationship Management course. I'm Dong-Soo Kim, the instructor of this course. And in this video, I'm going to overview the course. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Dong-Soo Kim, and Dong-Soo is my first name, and Kim is my last name. You can call me Dong-Soo or just Dong, and I'm currently an assistant professor of marketing at The Ohio State University. And this is my contact information. And in this semester, I don't have a fixed office hour. Instead, you can email me to make an appointment. And I'm going to respond to your message as soon as possible. And I'm from South Korea, and not North Korea, and I'm not a native speaker. My mother tongue is math. Seriously. That is, this course is totally mathematical. What does that mean? That means you will learn several mathematical tools in this course. This course is not just to overview what is CRM. You will learn how to implement CRM in practice through these mathematical tools, customer value metrics, RFM analysis, and logistic regression. This course includes lectures and lab sessions. In the lectures, you will learn what those mathematical tools are and when and why you use those tools. In the lab sessions, which follows the lectures, I'm going to share real data sets with you, and you will learn how to actually conduct analysis with those tools you learn in the lectures. For analysis, we are going to use Excel and SPSS. So I want you to actually do it, not just learn it in this course. Class logistics. This course is an online course. Each week is designed for one topic. Most of your work will be delivered asynchronously. In each week, there will be 1 or 2 recorded lectures, sometimes 3, and followed by a lab session. All materials for lab will be provided, including lab material note and data file and demonstration videos. Additional HBR articles and video materials will be also provided, and there will be an online quiz in each week. And there will be a synchronous component as well. We will have 5 synchronous meetings via Zoom. I will show the detailed schedule in the next slides. And in the meeting, we will have a group discussion. In the discussion, you will be randomly assigned into several groups and asked to discuss managerial challenges related to the cases in the lab. After discussion, one of your group members will submit your solutions via email and briefly present them. A guideline for the group discussion will be provided, and if time permits, we will have a Q&A session for the lab. So, all students are basically expected to join the online meeting. If you expect your absence, please immediately let me know that and discuss with me about how to make up. Schedule. This course is a half semester course, so we have in total 7 weeks. In the first week, I will introduce CRM and conceptual foundations. You will read the textbook, watch my lecture video, and read or watch additional materials. Then you will take an online quiz. All lecture video and additional materials will be available in Carmen website. In the second week, I will introduce several metrics to measure customer values. The format is the same as the first week: textbook, lecture, additional materials, and quiz. In addition, there will be a lab assignment. As I told you, all materials, including video demonstration, will be provided. During this week, we will meet online to discuss managerial challenges related to the first week topic. In the third week, you will learn customer lifetime value. The format is the same as the second week: textbook, lecture, additional materials, quiz, and lab. During this week, we will meet online to discuss managerial challenges related to the case in week 2 lab assignment. In the first week, you will learn RFM, recency, frequency, and monetary value analysis for customer classification. And the format is the same. And during this week, we will meet online to discuss managerial challenges related to the case in week 3 lab assignment. In the 5th week, you will learn logistic regression in the same format, including the group discussion for the case in week 4 lab assignment. The next week is the Thanksgiving break. Happy Thanksgiving with your family or friends. In the last week, we will discuss about how to implement CRM and loyalty program. This week's topic is like a general discussion, not those mathematical tools. So instead of having a lab session, there will be 2 individual assignments with HBR articles. You will read those articles and be asked to summarize the articles. And we will meet online for the group discussion for the case in week 5 lab assignment. And in addition, I will introduce a real case of the mathematical tools in this week. You will read an article and watch my video that explains the situation where the managers faced in the case. Then you will watch my video demonstration for lab assignment, where you will be asked to conduct analysis in the article. There will be another synchronous meeting to help you do the assignment. So if you face any troubles during the lab, please use this meeting to resolve your problems. I will be there to help you. In the schedule table, I use color codes for your convenience. Again, to get credit, you have to successfully finish all of those items. And you can find this schedule in our course syllabus as well. And grading. There are 5 components of grading. First, we have quizzes. Again, there will be an online quiz in each week. The quiz covers all lectures and additional materials provided in each week. It contains several true, false, multiple choice, and short answer questions. Second, lab assignment. There are 5 assignments. For each assignment, we will have 1 or 2 recorded videos, and those videos will be provided to demonstrate how to conduct data analysis covered in online lecture. Detailed lab procedures and data sets will be provided, and you will submit your answers and lab files online. Please note that each lab assignment is basically designed as an individual assignment. That is, each of you must submit your own original work and answers. Some discussions with your friends are allowed, but any types of collaboration are not permitted. Third, in-class discussion. As I introduced, we will have 5 in-class group assignments related to the cases in the lab assignment. Students will be randomly divided in small groups of 4 or 5 and asked to discuss about several managerial questions and develop CRM strategies with group members. Detailed directions for the discussion will be provided, and after discussion, one of the students in each group will submit the answers to questions through email and present their strategy. And fourth, other individual assignments. In week 6, 2 HBR case study materials will be assigned. They are real-world examples relevant to the topic of the week. They will be discussed in the lecture, so you are required to read and summarize the assigned case studies before watching the lecture. An online submission page will be provided on Carmen with several questions that help you summarize the cases. By answering those questions, you can understand the case studies and critically think why they are important and how you can apply the knowledge to other cases. These are also individual assignments, so each of you must submit your own original answers. And of course, in types of collaboration are not permitted. Fifth, attendance and participation. To receive full credits of attendance and participation, you have to successfully attend and participate all online activities and in-person classes. If you miss an activity or a class, there will be a proportional deduction in your grade. Due dates and late submissions. The due date of each quiz and assignment will be announced with the quiz and assignment instruction in Carmen website. late submissions will be accepted, but there will be a 10% penalty per day after the due date. If you need more time for the quiz and assignment due to any personal issues, please email me immediately. We can figure out the best way for both you and me. Textbook. We will use this textbook. Customer Relationship Management, Concept, Strategy, and Tools. This is a third edition, which was published first in 2018. The authors of this textbook is Rick Kumar and Werner Reinhardt. This book is available in Amazon and the University Bookstore. HBR articles. There are 4 HBR articles that we use in this course. The first one, Blue Apron article, introduces a real case where customer lifetime value is used to decide the firm's strategic action. We will use this in week 3. The second and third ones are the articles you have to read and summarize in week 6 before watching the lecture. And the last one, Pilgrim Bank article, will be used in our case study week. Because of the copyright of those articles, I cannot share my copy with you. Instead, I made the course pack in HBR website. This is the link of our course pack, and you can access this link in the slide file of this video. Just click the link to go to the purchase and download page for those articles. Software. We will use Microsoft Excel and IBM SPSS statistics. Excel will be used for all assignments, and SPSS will be used for the last 2 assignments. You can find the detailed instructions of how to install the software in our course syllabus. So please refer to page 3 in our syllabus. And if you have any problems during installation, please email me. I will help you resolve the problems. And the others, please see the syllabus for the details. Our course syllabus is uploaded in syllabus tab of our Carmen website. And the syllabus is a contract between you and me. That is, it is your responsibility to read the syllabus carefully and clearly understand what the syllabus says, and keep in mind what is the important things to do to get good credit. If you have any questions and concerns during the discourse, please email me immediately. I, as the instructor of this course, will always be here to help you. Okay, that's all I have in this video. See you soon. Bye-bye.